Welcome to my channel. Struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? The TP-Link WA855RE range extender can boost your Wi-Fi coverage instantly. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Plug in the extender. First, plug the extender close to your router, we'll move it later. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Step 2. Connect to the extender. Option 1. Quick setup using the WPS button. 1. Power on. Plug the extender into an electric outlet next to your router. 2. Connect to the extender. Press the WPS button on your router. Press the WPS button on your extender within 2 minutes. Option 2. Quick setup using web browser. 1. Power on. Plug in next to your router. Wait until the LED changes to solid red. 2. Connect to the extender. Step 3. Relocate the extender. Now, unplug and move the extender to a spot halfway between your router and the weak signal area. The signal LED should be solid. Step 4. Test your connection. Connect your devices to the new, your network name _X Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to see the improvement. Troubleshooting tips. If it's not working, reboot the extender. Ensure you're using the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band correctly. Reset. Hold button for 5 seconds, if needed. That's it. Enjoy stronger Wi-Fi everywhere. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.